Why in the world did my trap not catch a swarm? Either A, I know there was bees there because I was down the road from somebody that has bees, or I was down the road from my bees, or you're out in the middle of nowhere like I trap, trying to catch the feral stock, and I know there's bees there. I found them either using the juice jar or just driving around looking at things that are listed in another video in the swarm trapping series. I know they're there. So why did I not catch a swarm? Well, this is one of the main reasons you do not catch swarms. These are what I call mud daubers. I don't know exactly what the name of these wasps that go around catching spiders, but they move into your swarm traps. And that keeps you from catching bees because bees will not displace them. I've had bees actually draw comb on the bottom of the trap. And you go in, and once you move them off the bottom of the trap, you find these, you find regular wasps.